welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you are clicking that bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. Y'all, I know it's been 2 weeks since I came back to you guys with a brand new Wig Wednesday video, but I promise you it was worth the wait. Woo! So this week I will be featuring the Naked Brazilian Natural 100% Human Hair Lace Front Wig in the style Candice. The hair color is natural, and let me tell you guys, she is absolutely stunning. Oh, I love this wig. You can dye this hair, bleach or perm. It comes with a 5-inch center part, ear-to-ear lace, so there is lace that you have to cut off of this wig. On the inside of the stock card, as always, you have your hair care instructions. I got this wig off of Amazon, just like I get all of my wigs off of Amazon. I always leave the link in the description box as to where you can purchase all of these wigs that I review for you guys. I really don't understand why there aren't as many more YouTube reviews of people that order these wigs from Amazon. If you're a Prime member, you can order these wigs Prime. You get them in a couple of days, free shipping. So I really don't understand why people use all the other sites and pay so much more for shipping when they can just simply go to Amazon. Moving on, so this wig does come straight. I wanted a really cute straight wig that I could have and that I could bump curls in if I wanted to, so this wig was perfect. So let's get right into the pros. This is a lace wig, so there was no line of demarcation or anything like that. She does come straight. You can do whatever you want to her though, so as you can see, I did some curls and you'll see how I styled this wig in a moment. She does come with baby hairs. However, I'm not the type that I like to use all of the crazy baby hairs on wigs, so I normally like to either use my baby hairs or kind of swoop the baby hairs that come with the wig. But yeah, she does have baby hairs. Other pros, she's super soft and no tangling whatsoever. Now let's get into the very small cons that this wig has. Straight out of the packaging, I always like to wash my wigs, whether they are synthetic or human hair. So I washed this wig and I did get some shedding, but after I washed it, let it air dry, I have not gotten any more shedding, maybe like a couple of strands, but hey, all human hair sheds, like all hair sheds regardless, you can't escape it. Another con for those of you who love like full big hair, I will say this will be your con. It's not personally for me, but this hair is more on the thinner side. I feel like it's about 2 bundles. So if you're one of those that likes to rock 4 to 6 bundles in your hair, you will have an issue with this because it is on the thinner side. However, for people like me who are small-headed, I feel like this is the perfect amount of hair. And finally, another con, only for those of you who are beginners or not very great at cutting the lace, there is lace that you have to cut on this wig, but it's super easy, you guys. I overall love this wig. I give this wig a 10 out of 10. I got it for about $79.99 on Amazon. Again, I will leave the link in the description box below. I am the first person to actually review this wig. I think she's absolutely perfect, and if you would like to see how I styled this wig and made it my own, keep on watching.